How's it going, everybody? It's Christian L here with Eat Like an Apex. This afternoon we are home and it's a great day just to kind of hang out here. We also have the pleasure of having Trinice from California Sweet Chicken come out and introduce to us her California Sweet Chicken. That's something that she does for her catering business here in the Bay Area. She is known as the Chicken Lady, and so I just want to share with you fried chicken from California Sweet Chicken. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, hope you find time to subscribe. You'll find more street food, restaurants, and more food related travel content on this channel. With that, I'm going to show you everything in this video right now. Yo, what up, everybody? We are here. We are here. So, Trinice, you are the owner of California Sweet Chicken, and tell us about it a little bit.
California Sweet Chicken was inspired by a lady named Rebecca Robeson. She inspired me to start cooking my chicken and selling it and turning it into a business. And my flavors are Latin inspired.
Latin inspired.
Yes.
Okay, awesome. Well,
check it out.
Yeah. Well, happy to have Trinice here hanging out, and we're gonna get started. Check out some of the cooking process here this afternoon.
And I'm cooking my chicken in grapeseed oil because I like for my customers to stay healthy.
All right. She is known as the Chicken Lady.
Yes.
So get that right, especially here in the Bay Area, huh?
Yes.
In the Bay Area, in San Francisco, Bayview, the Chicken Lady. We're not gonna give away like any secrets because this is Trinice's like own recipe, but we are going to just kind of like capture some of the cooking process and show you just what Trinice can do. And I'm excited.
So right now what I'm doing is I'm rinsing off my chicken, and I like to use organic chicken. You want to rinse your chicken with cold water, not hot water. It makes it too rubbery. When you rinse it in hot water, it comes out too rubbery. Here at California Sweet Chicken, I do not season my meat prior to cooking my chicken. Put a little bit in the bowl, simple, nothing fancy. You want to get in the crevices of the chicken so it can stay crispy. The flat pieces, you don't have to worry about getting in the crevices. Just the drum leg parts. So because we're making a sweet savory chicken, we do not season our chicken down to the bone. We leave it unseasoned.
The Chicken Lady is using the organic chicken, the wings, and those look amazing. Now she's powdering it with the flour.
And they're frying. So you want to wait just a second, and then you'll drop some more. And just let the chicken in the pot do its thing.
So we are outside on our patio utilizing Safi's table. It's deep frying right now. Yeah, totally excited to try it. She knows her thing. She has been doing this for quite some time. She is an expert at preparing fried chicken wings, fried chicken.
They pretty much discovered the Chicken Lady.
The Bayview community discovered the Chicken Lady.
Yes.
What do you mean by that?
Because before I was called the Chicken Lady, it was just California Sweet Chicken.
Okay.
And still to this day, no one really knows California Sweet Chicken. They know the Chicken Lady.
So they were calling you the Chicken Lady.
Yeah, they were calling me the Chicken Lady.
She's the Chicken Lady.
Go see the Chicken Lady. They weren't saying, oh, California Sweet Chicken. They were like, go see the Chicken Lady.
That's a great title.
Yes.
I'm probably gonna title this the Chicken Lady. Oh yeah. So that is just frying right now and still cooking.
Before we get ready to add this second batch of chicken to the frying pan, you don't want to take it out of the pot and just dump it inside the oil. You want to recoat your chicken with a little bit of flour like this because the flour has settled into the meat. And so you don't want to put gummy chicken inside of your grease. You want it to recoat it so it could be nice and light on the meat. You know, in there frying, you can pretty much move it around at that point. And once the chicken starts to float at the top of the pan, then that's when you know your chicken is ready. Although the chicken is still done and it's floating, if you want it extra crispy, just let it sit in the grease for about another 5 minutes. And we also want to have a few limes as a spare on the side.
Oh yeah, that smells amazing. Put a bottom to the top.
No, not my feet.
There we go. Boom.
The way that my chicken tastes, originally it does not have that zesty taste to it. I created these wings to help my daughter. She was sick and her I'll try to get her bowels to line, and I didn't have anything else protein in the house to give her except for the chicken. And to encourage her to eat the chicken, I made it sweet. And one day I wanted to share the chicken with my neighbor and to make it a little bit more zestier in the taste, because the way I made it for my daughter wasn't that flavorful. I added limes and crushed red peppers to my chicken to please the palate of the culture of people who I was cooking for. And that's how my chicken tastes so amazing today, is because of my desire to please other cultures.
Like skillful, the preparation, the spices, the secretness. There's some secret ingredients in here that we're not going to disclose, but she's so kind to have us kind of film that process. Okay, so I'm joined here by the chicken lady, and she just prepared the chicken. 2 different batches. There's one that's over here that's not without the crushed peppers, and then the one that we have here in front of us has everything: the works, the crushed red peppers. I think is that the only one that's different from that one?
Just the crushed red peppers.
Ah, I see. I asked her if she could take a bite with me from her own concoction, her own creation, and so yeah, let's do it. Oh, cheers!
Cheers!
All right, bye.
Dang, you don't have nothing else to sprinkle a lime on.
Yeah. Lime? Okay, I'll do it real quick. Okay. Go ahead. Oh man.
No comment, right?
Whoa.
No room for comment.
Wow. The first thing that really sticks out is that flavor of the chicken, that glaze, her secret sauce, mind you. That sticks out, but overall, the entire balance, that whole combination, consistency of that chicken, from the slight hint of spice, to the peppers, to the salt, all the ingredients, the crispiness, even that grapeseed oil plays a great part in that too. That is amazing.
Thank you.
Wow.
It's like a firecracker in your mouth.
A firecracker in my mouth, exactly. Bursting with flavor, explosive. And you have a complexity of like sweet, salty, sour, and umami as well too. Okay, I'm telling you right now, that was just my first wing. Yeah, best believe that's gonna be all devoured. All right, Shauna's joining me here, having some chicken. She hasn't had chicken
in months.
Where you at, Safi? Grab one right here.
I get to cheat for you guys.
Go ahead. All right, and bite.
Oh. That is good.
Every time I take a bite, I tend to like eat the whole thing already. So I'm gonna take like half the bite and then start sprinkling that lime on it and bite.
It's that good. I was like, okay, I'll just eat the skin. But no, it's really good. I'm eating the meat too.
You just kind of want to just mop up that sauce too. Just mop it up with the chicken. All right, so I'm gonna try the non-crushed peppered one. The non-crushed pepper one, and same effect. That sweetness, chicken lady said it best, tastes like candy. This is like candy licking chicken. That glaze, that sweetness, the sourness too, and that chicken skin.
You're running low.
Do it again.
Is that
Do it again. Do it again. They're doing the chicken dance. She's doing the chicken dance because that chicken is that good. Like there's nothing left on the plate, but that sauce on that plate. Just want to mop it up with the chicken. Just mop it. Okay, as if we like didn't have enough of it, she made another batch of her California sweet chicken, and yeah, can't say no. They're delicious. But I'm telling you right now, this chicken is fire. Like everything you want from California Sweet Chicken. Chicken candy from the chicken lady. You can check her out. She's on Instagram, guys, at California Sweet Chicken, and you can find her online too. Her website, californiasweetchicken.com. Check her stuff out. She does catering. If you're from the Bay Area, you need to hit her up. With that said, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate that. Peace out. One love. Late. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing.
Bye, you guys. See you on the next episode.